Hello guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm starting this video on a Friday, and I'll be hosting my friends on Saturday. So as you can see, I'm coming from the market to buy some groceries, some fruits, and now I'm unpacking them. So for tonight I want to do some cooking of some snacks because I'll just make some tea with some snacks, and I've bought some things for the day and others for my household use. So I'll prepare the carrots, the vegetable. I organize them in the fridge. I'll also make some, what do I call them? I also make some snacks, that is kebabs, and I'm planning to do some juice, pineapple juice, and beetroot and tamarind juice. And also I'll make some donuts tonight so that the next day, which is tomorrow, I'll have a few things to make. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Stay tuned as you see me preparing different types of recipes, and also I'll be cleaning my living room since the visitors will be seated there. And here, as you can see, I'm holding a bread. I realized I didn't have breadcrumbs, so I was making my breadcrumbs from scratch. So I toasted the bread for 15 minutes, 180. It dried up, and then I grinded it using my blender. And I got very nice and very crunchy breadcrumbs. So I think it's easy to make and it's cheaper because the pack of breadcrumbs usually cost around 200 and something, and the bread is 68. So that's a win for me. So here I started with making some kebabs. So I made kebabs. Kebabs are made out of minced meat, some onion, finely chopped onions, and then you mix the breadcrumbs inside. So you can see the process as you continue watching. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for doing all the watching, liking, and commenting on my videos. I really appreciate, guys. We are on our road to 1,000 subscribers. I hope you help me reach there, guys. I really appreciate. So I added the breadcrumbs here in the mixing. The breadcrumbs help to clamp together the meat, the minced meat, and then you'll see the process as you continue watching. So I stored my carrots, which I had washed, the ones that I came with from the market. I had done a video of storing a vegetable in the freezer, how you organize and store each and every type of vegetables. Guys, if you haven't watched, go back and watch my video. It's a detailed one, and I hope you like it. I usually like small kebabs, thinner ones. I don't like the thick ones because I want the meat to cook well while deep frying. So that's why you can see mine are very short and thin. But you can make any size that you wish. And let me know in the comment section, guys, how you usually make your kebabs, how you find my recipe. Is it easy or is it hard? And that's all. That is just a normal home baking flour that I'll be using, and some eggs. And a disclaimer: this procedure really needs patience. It's a long, it's a detailed one. And another thing, it uses a lot of eggs to make it fluffy, to have your kebabs fluffy and tastier. So I think you should be prepared if you want to try it. But let me know in the comment section how you see it, how you make your kebabs, and I will really appreciate. So I heated, you remember my tefal pans, guys. I love them so much. I've been using them so far for like 2 months. If you haven't watched my birthday gift, this is one of it. So I love them because they are really nice. And here we are. We were deep frying, starting. So here, guys, you can see I'm removing the kebab from the frying pan, dipping it again onto the eggs, because you want it fluffy. You want it to have the eggs, give it that coverage, and it also helps it not to break. You cannot also see the meat because you see the darker spots. Those are some of the meat exposed. So when you do it, you can do it like twice or thrice depending on how you want it. For me, I just did it twice and it really covered well because my kebabs were not that thick. But if you make it so thick, you'll need it to do it like thrice. So this is my tamarind. I soaked the tamarind as I was doing some finishing up with the kebabs, and also started while the tamarind was soaking. I had my sister helping me to make the dough for the donuts. And these are my kebabs, guys. You can see the end product, and they were so sweet and so fluffy. So yeah, so we did 5 eggs for the donuts, and some prestige approximation of like 1 cup, you can see. So, and I also did added some icing sugar. I love using icing sugar while baking rather than normal sugar. So you mix that well. Also added some vanilla essence, because anywhere I put eggs, except in the kebabs, guys, anywhere I put eggs in my baking, I have to put vanilla essence. So yeah, that's what I used my hand blender to mix that well. Then imagine after there you're all done, you only add the self-rising flour. You can also boost the flour with some bicarbonate, just as 1 teaspoon, which I did. And I was testing if the sugar was okay. And after blending, milk, I think milk is optional. You can either add milk or just do without milk. So I added milk because I wanted to increase the portions. Though I didn't have many visitors, I just had 4 visitors, so that was okay. And I was planning to make a lot of snacks, so this is one of it. You can also watch and enjoy and see. Any question you can just ask me, any comment on the comment.
Time is standing still as I let go of your cold hand. Eyes are wet, but lips are dry, and all the things we'd planned were never what you wanted. We've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, oh. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, oh. I had a million different things to do, and every one of them included you. We had a million different things to do. What can I say? Well, I've been lonely too. Lying on my own, the sheets are covered in your scent. Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kinda lonely, I still always thought you loved me. When I tried to let it go, the sheets are covered in your scent. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, oh. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, oh. I had a million different things to do, and every one of them included you.
So guys, I boiled the tamarind and left it overnight to cool. And you add sugar, you add any spice of your choice. For me, I added cardamoms, and then you make sure it boils so well. This helps in making it sweeter and also killing germs, yeah, because you saw I just removed from the pack and did the squeezing. So this is the following day. This was the D-Day. My friends were coming around mid-morning, so I woke up and decided to make some bajia, which were on my list. And this is gram flour, some I usually use what is it called, onions, and any vegetable. So if I get dania, that's okay. If I get terere, that's fine. I chopped it very finely and put it in. Then you add some pinch of salt to test. Then mix it with water, guys. And then additional from the gram flour, you have to add some self-rising flour. Mix it well. You can also add some bicarbonate to help it like have some body, which I added like 1 teaspoon. And I did a very good thorough mix, as you can see, and started my process of deep frying. So enjoy the process and enjoy the rest of the video. Hope you watch to the end, guys, and see all the goodies that I made.
If it was never what you wanted, we've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. Time is standing still as I let go of your cold hand. Eyes are wet but lips are dry, and all the things we'd planned were never what you wanted. We've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, oh. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, oh. I had a million different things to do, and every one of them included you. We had a million different things to do. What can I say? Well, I've been lonely too.
So guys, I started cleaning. Okay, my house manager tried to help me, but the TV stand was still dusty. So here you can see I have an assistant who's trying to help me but distracting me. I cleaned the parts that I saw they were a bit dusty, not well cleaned. I usually use my Astonish antibacterial cleaner to clean all my surfaces in the house. And also cleaned my artificial tree. I saw it was a bit dusty. I think the girl could not reach at the far top. So sorry for the rain. I'm recording this and it's raining so hard outside. Bear with me. I also opened the windows. Then I went back to the kitchen. The last thing I did, I made some salads. And for my salad, it was a fruit plus vegetable salad. I added sweet melon, some pears, some cucumber, and some apples, specifically the pink lady apples. And also we had some natural Greek yogurt. That's it, guys. I just cut finely chopped small pieces and I put everything in the fridge to chill. After that, I served my guests this as a dessert, and they really loved it, guys. They loved it at all so much.
Lying on my own, the sheets are covered in your scent. Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kinda lonely, I still always thought you loved me. When I tried to let it go, the sheets are covered in your scent. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, oh. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, oh. I had a million different things to do, and every If it was never what you wanted, we've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand.
So guys, we have a new washing machine. We'll just do the unboxing in the next video. Stay tuned. But for now, I was just showing you how I've tidied up the space. That is my living room for my guests. And a disclaimer, guys, I lost the clips that had taken all this the snacks. I added some sausages, I added other snacks, and I'm really sorry for that. For my living room, guys, you remember my wall gallery, guys, I made it myself. It was clean, I cleaned everything. I hope you've enjoyed this video this far. I'll have to close it at this moment, and I'm really sorry. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.